In this tutorial, we will learn about modifying strings with slicing in Python. Slicing allows us to extract parts of a string or modify it by inserting or removing substrings. Let's start with inserting substrings. Here we have a string hello world and we want to insert the substring there after hello. We do this by slicing the original string into two parts. The first part is from the start of the string up to the sixth character, exclusive, which is hello. The second part is from the sixth character to the end of the string, which is world. We then concatenate these three parts together to get the new string hello there world. Let's now look at removing substrings. Here we have a string hello there world and we want to remove the substring there. We do this using the replace method, which replaces all occurrences of the substring with an empty string. This effectively removes the substring from the original string, giving us the new string hello world. And that's it. With slicing, we can easily modify strings in Python by inserting or removing substrings. Thanks for watching.